Hello everyone! Today we are going to be doing subtraction of fractions. Let's do this.
Next, we can go to subtracting fractions. The same rules will apply. If the denominators are the same, we can go straight ahead and carry out this operation. 4 take away 1, 3. We keep our denominator. Next, if it's mixed fractions, go ahead and work with the whole numbers first. Denominators are the same, so this should be nice. 6 take away 4.
That is 2.
And then 2 over 7 take away 1 over 7.
That is 1 over 7.
Great, so that's not too bad. Then we're faced with another dilemma where we want to take away fractions, but they don't have the same denominator.
So we look at the larger one first and see if 7 can go into 14.
Yeah, or 7 can become 14. Yeah, it can.
So that's times 2, and then we do it, and then we do the same with the top.
Yep, have to do it. So our new denominator for both fractions are going to be 14. All right, so we have our new denominator, which is
14. And we already know that 14 and 14.
What are you saying?
Sorry. 4 times 2 is 8.
Okay. All right, there we go. You want to finish this off? So our denominator is 14, and we are now saying 8 over 14, take away 3 over 14. We'll be left with?
We'll be left with 5 over 14.
Right, great. Again, this time, same dilemma, but we have whole numbers in the mix. So we're subtracting mixed fractions that don't have the same denominator.
Yeah, so we already answered this. This is...
no, we got to break it down. Yes. 6 take away 4 first, as usual. Work with our whole numbers.
Which is
6 take away 4. We're left with 2. And then now the dilemma now is the 1 over 7 and taking away the 6 over 14. And we're hoping we won't face a bigger dilemma, but let's see. Can 14 be the number we keep as our denominator?
Yes.
Sure, because a 7 can become a 14 when it is multiplied by 2. So what we do to the top, we do to the bottom. So this becomes 2 over 14 minus 6 over 14. We have a dilemma. What do we do when we're faced with such a dilemma?
Well,
we're going to have to go back to our whole number to make this up. Because technically what we're saying is, remember we did the whole number part? So we have 2
here.
And we want, now we're trying to do the impossible, which is 2 over 14, take away 6 over 14, which 2, you can't have 2 and give away 6. You won't have enough. So
what we'll have to do is take away the 2. Take away the 2 by 1, and then 2 take away 1 is 1, and we'll have 1 left.
All right, good.
And then we add 14 to 2.
All right, so let me... So in essence, KJ's point is very right. This 2
will be taken away by 1. And
yes. All right. What we need to do is we're trying to make up this 2 over 14 so that we'll have enough to take away 6. So as KJ said, we're going to take 1 from this 2. This 1 that we have taken from this 2, we need to add it to 2 over 14. So we're going to put it over here in this box. And I'm not good at boxes, but let's put it over there. Originally, we had 2 over 14, which was not enough to take away 6 out of 14. So we borrowed 1 whole. Remember what we said about 1 whole as a fraction? 1 whole as a fraction is the numerator and the denominator being the same thing. So the 1 whole we borrowed over here is a 14 over 14. We need to add that to our 2 over 14, which gives us 16 over 14. Now we have enough. Now we have enough.
You might be confused that it is an improper fraction, but it's
fine for now. All right. Yeah, yes. It's fine for now. So what we're saying now is 16 over 14 minus 6 over 14. My board looks so untidy. This is what we have now though. So what are we left with when we do 16 over 14?
That is
minus 6 over 14.
That would be 10 over 14.
Yeah, 10 over 14.
And then we add that to the 1 whole we have left.
Yeah, so we have to keep track. First, we had a 6 whole minus a 4, which gave us a 2. So we have 2 wholes, but in the end, we had to take from one of those wholes. We had to take to make up this 2 over 14 because it wasn't enough to take 6 out of it, right? And so when we took that, we ended up with 16 over 14. 16 over 14 was then used to take out 6 out of 14, leaving us with 10 over 14. We still have 1 whole that was not touched. So our final answer
is
1 and 10 over 14. And that's our final answer. But of course, in school, you have learned that you can make fractions smaller. You can reduce it. But we don't have to do that today. But another answer would be, and it's the same, means the same. If we divide by 2, we would say 1 and 5 over 7. All right.
And you can also turn it into an improper fraction.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps, and we wish you all the best.
Stay safe and make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.